What else about? What else about France?
Tinggi gila orang. Orang Prancis memang tinggi-tinggi ya.
Du côté.
Saya jenis Sabah yang pendek.
Lui il habite toujours vers les environs de Paris. Singapour, d'accord.
So, yang aku ingat Singapura, dorang ni macam Italian sikit. Ngam.
Australie.
Nice.
Ouais, parce qu'on est.
Ngam saya mau rehat juga.
C'est facile quand t'es chef.
Despacito.
C'est vrai?
Ya, untuk rehat.
Trop bien. Où ça?
Nice.
Où ça? Quelle partie? Ah, lourd, ok. Nous, on va du côté West Australia, on va un peu. Ouais.
Pondok Kandis. Ya. Sekarang kita sudah sampai ke tempat pondok yang kedua, yaitu Pondok Kandis. Dan mereka berat. Woi, direct terus. Oh, boleh. Padu. Tupai. Oke dek, boleh dek. Oke. Lain bernapas dorang.
Dia punya jarak itu berbeda lah. Yang dari sini pergi yang next tuh ada 750.
750.
Ya meter dari sini ya, dari pondok, dan yang selepas itu mau hampir 900 meter yang selepas. Jadi dia punya jarak di antara pondok-pondok itu berbeda lah.
The best view so far, literally.
Oh my God! I just don't believe what I see right now in my front eyes. It's very beautiful.
And right now we are at the kilometer 1.5, 2,164 meters high. And guess what? There's another 1,900 to go. Not in one day, but in
2 days.
Just few hours.
in 2 days. And how about the second day? Is there like, is it, how many meters high do we go on the second day?
Second days, another 1,000 something.
Another 1,000. Wow, okay. So it's like a little bit more than 1,000 right now, today, and another 1,000 tomorrow. I think it's gonna be very, very steep because the distance is much less, but it's still almost the same amount of.
Oh, damn! It's my alarm. It's my alarm.
Wake up! Wake up!
It's 9 o'clock already.
Nail.
9.
Nai. Vicious. Nai.
9. Alwin tried to sing, so I teach him for one song, nada mo. Then original Sabahan. Dari setinggi-tinggi Gunung Kinabalu. Alwin, sing it.
Biru biru ujung Kinabalu.
Yeah. Ya, sudah sampai. The trail, this is some point.
Udah 300 meter lagi pergi pondok.
300 meter lagi, ya. Oke, kita ada adik di sini. Adik, mantap adik. Kecil-kecil, udah sahut cabaran dah.
Semangat, cakap semangat.
Semangat dek.
Semangat Ki.
Semangat lagi, suara lagi. Macam kurang udah semangat satu kali lagi deh.
Semangat lagi.
Ya.
Semangat.
Ya. Penat sudah deh. 300 meter lagi untuk ke pondok. Udah bisa perokok pun. Mari jalan.
Mari jalan.
Mari jalan.
All right, mari
Or
jalan.
the simple words. Jom, jom jalan.
Jom. Ah, yeah, it was like I've heard a different word before. Jom. Like June. Jom.
Wih, angkat barang. Nih kita panggil dia malim gunung. Kalau yang angkat barang nih kena panggil apa, Uncle?
Jom. Jom Kinabalu Mountain.
Itu yang potah lah.
Hah?
Yang kat barang itu potah lah.
Oh, Kota.
Yang apa itu? Diorang ini hari-hari jalan naik turun.
Balik-balik sudah dia pasang lagu itu. Dia mau hafal. Saya suruh dia nyanyi di atas nanti. So, di atas 2000 meter kita sudah bergerak secara perlahan. Oke. Dan kayu-kayu ini pun sangat sejuk. It's very cold. That's why you need glove. So ada malim kita. Bukan malim ya, tapi porter. In British section we call it porter.
French word.
Oh, it's French words. Porter. Maybe we're going to let them pass.
Go look at that. Eggs, food, everything.
Rice.
Very
Wow.
brave. Very heavy things, and they're going to cook fast. Very impressive. They're called the porter. It's a French word. Porter.
So kita punya kan napaknya perlu rehat sekejap. Cari lu makan mimi. Sekarang kita berada dekat 3 km di atas sebanyak 2455 meter daripada paras bawah. Dan kita sekarang berada di mana?
Pertengahan ke Laban Rata.
Oh, yang map nih di sini kada tunjuk.
Ya. 3 km setengah daripada 6 km lah. Dari atas pohon dan setengah lagi pergi Laban Rata lah.
Setengah lagi lah. Okay, nice. See you soon. Wait. I want to take video first.
Hey, take video. Okay.
Wow. There's pasukan. Oi, ada bomba. Hi. This is mountain rescue.
Okay.
Wow, so nice.
Some people are
Yo, Bang.
down right now. Look at that.
Hello.
We're going up. They're going down.
Have a good fun.
Did you go up? Yeah. How was it?
It's
good.
It's good, yeah?
Good.
So fast.
So fast, yeah.
Okay.
Even the one in the front is injured, but he's doing like that.
Alright, Abang Bomba Malaysia.
Alright.
Jadi Bang.
Okay guys, thank you for joining the live.
Itulah
And
Kongsian.
amazing,
tim penyelamat baru saja turun daripada atas.
I don't think I can. Yeah, I think you have to jump off yourself. Bye.
Bye, see ya. Woi, kasih tulas.
Watching from Philippines. Oh, Philippines. Yes.
Mau pecah sudah jantung saya.
For the hostel up
Udah.
there.
Jadi rasanya lebih baik kita beri laluan kepada mereka untuk lalu
Lots of stuff.
terlebih
maybe
dahulu.
lots of
Kita
water
punya
fruits.
perjalanan slow.
See, they carry fruit as well. Wow. Very brave. 1, 2, 3 people here. Porter. Yeah, they're called porter. And they're gonna go up there And can you imagine carrying that? How heavy is it?